Hello, this is Ibrahim Montazeri, and today I am giving the presentation for new service pitch for the product design course. So my target market are kids K to 12 students, and the product and the service is to provide an environment for them to experience exploration, informal education, and innovation. This is my mood board, and as we see, we have hands-on. We're going to have hands-on projects. We're going to foster team working in them, and a lot of emerging technologies. And meanwhile, we are trying to improve their competencies like life skills, team working. All the projects are interactive, and they are working to build stuff and create stuff. The logo that I am using for this project is Mini Martian Interactive University. So basically, this is a university for the children, and the marketing message is like "Get ready to live on Mars, kiddos." The idea of for this logo is that because the Mars, living on Mars is so like on top of the news right now, and the most creative people like SpaceX are thinking of setting up a living space on Mars. So the Mars situation is harsh and needs a lot of creativity and innovation to overcome the situation over there. And for example, providing water, food, and stuff like that. It needs all the competencies in the highest level and creativity and exploration. And with this brand, Mini Martian University, we are trying to provide an environment for kids to learn to live on Mars uh, through the courses and products that we provide for them. So the basics of this university basically is kind of the same as the real colleges, just we use a lot of gamification, so there are not like the end of the course and stuff like that. Instead, the kids get badges, and the badges are three different ones: Lil and Mini and Dude, and this is based on how much they are getting like improvement in the skill or knowledge that they are trying to learn. For example, they're going to learn Photoshop, and after they learn the Photoshop in a specific level, they get the badge Lil as Photoshopist, and then Lil Illustrator, and then once they got this, they're gonna they're gonna go through a, project and like capstone project, and they're gonna publish a book. Once they publish a real book, they're gonna be Lil publisher, and then they publish on social media. After like they got the badge for social media, they publish on social media, and then they're going to be mini publisher, a little the next step for them. And then they learn some web development, and they're going to publish a website, and then they're going to be Dude publisher. They're going to have this big badge for them. These are all examples of different badges like mini physicist, mini mechanist, mini robot builder, mini publisher. They get, and uh, so the services like this, they get. This is based on the subscription, and when they subscribe in our university, and in a specific like course, like to be, for example, a publisher, they're they're getting a product monthly. So in January they get product number 1, February product number 2, March product number 3, and they work through that. And then once they did that, they're going to get the badge, little like for example publisher. And the, uh, the with that products definitely comes course materials which we provide them through the YouTube and Zoom and online classes and online one peer-to-peer um, working through the materials and helping them to learn the course materials. And when they go to the next step, for the next 3 months, they get product 4, 5, 6, and then they get the badge mini. And then they get all different like badges for different courses. And after like they get like, for example, little publisher, they can be uh, like little Photoshopist, they can be a little publisher, or they can be a mini web developer. After they get certain amount of the badges, they're going to be a mini Martian. So they all are the like competitive advantage for this service is all this gamification aspect compared to the other stuff that they are out there to keep the children to go through that. And this is a service and the prices, so it's a subscription and different kinds. So if they just want to get products, they can go and shop them on Amazon on our website. But there are subscriptions, like if they pay like 19.99, they uh, they get the product monthly and they can uh, do the products through the YouTubes. And if they pay 29.99, this is the second level of subscription. They also gonna get a monthly synchronous class that they go to the classes and learn about the material, or the like, for example, if they are learning Photoshop, they learn the course material and we help them through that. With paying 39.99, they're gonna get uh, Zoom peer-to-peer to learn that skill or knowledge or ask their questions. The future for this service, um, I believe, is very good because the Generation Z, they are willing to learn more informally than the former generation, as they are active learners versus like passive. They are active explorers versus the before generations that they were mostly passive learners. So I believe this kind of uh, informal educations are going to have a really good opportunity in the market. Thank you for listening for me, and let me know if you have any question, and I would appreciate it if you could give me some feedback on this service and product. Thank you.